So in today's video I'll be showing you guys my study area where I usually study daily. So without any further ado, let's begin to the video. This is my study table जहाँ पर I usually study every day. This is my backpack which I take to my college for daily, and this is my study table which I usually spend most of my time right now because my exams are really soon, so I spend my time here only. This is the math book I was studying right now, maths, so I have that here. I have on my sample paper book. I was solving some sample paper of Hindi. Yeah. Then this is some of the motivation things which I have here. It's some of the Greek alphabets, some motivation, some 15 days ka plan, which is obviously by Shobit Nirvan Bhaiya. He is the best for 10th and 12th standard. नेक्स्ट नीचे वी हैव दिस पाई एंड एवोकाडो एंड सबके जो नंबर्स होते हैं वो है. इधर अगेन मोटिवेशन, ये मेरा बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम का टाइम टेबल है. some aesthetic drawings and some motivation. Most of the things are here are for motivation purpose. Down here's the trigonometry formula sheet for me to revise it daily, and this is my syllabus which is almost completed. Most of the things here are done. This is again some motivation for aestheticness, right? And then this is a periodic table which is also one of the important thing. Here I have some of the strategies, trigonometry table, very basic. And yeah, then this is the table. This is my lamp, study lamp, which I use in the night and even in the morning. It's very good. I have this study lamp from like 3 or 4 years now, and it's really good. Here I have my water bottle, sanitizer, all those things, my AirPods, calculators. Yeah, and the very important beautiful thing which I like about this table is this part. So basically you can just open this part like this and it just get से बाहर आ जाता है, and okay, then you can study here. So I usually just, whenever I'm doing something for writing, I usually open this and just do my all the writing work here. I was just doing maths, so I was doing maths here, and so it's very good, and you can just get it back inside like this. This is how the table looks like. It's very good. I even have a socket, which is the best part of this table, because you can just charge your phone, your lamp, and I even have one fan here, one table fan, which I keep outside because it's quite noisy, so I just keep it outside. It's also really good. It just makes quite sound. Apart from that, it's good. Actually, I don't have any fan in this room, so I usually use this fan for wind. Now we have this. This is my छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें जो मतलब डेली बेसिस में यूज़ में आती है. दिस इज़ माई पाउच, सम हाइलाइटर्स, एयरपॉड्स का चार्जर, नोट पैड, ये मेरा बोर्ड का कंबॉक्स मैंने बनाया है जिसमें एवरीथिंग विच आई नीड फॉर माई बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम. आई हैव केप्ट इट ऑल इन दिस वन already. This is another geometry, some coloring box, some colors, and all those kind of stuffs. This is the thing, and in this we have all our things which we are not using right now. For example, my books. I have some books. I like reading books sometimes. I have this Sapiens. This is one of the really nice book. Next I have is this sketchbook. I really like drawing, so whenever I get time, I usually draw. This is one of the book which I buy from library, and I didn't give them back. I forgot. And we have this another book which I also buy it from Cool & Hoover, and some tissue, purse, and this sketchbooks. I have 3 sketchbooks. I have 2 sketchbooks here, and one is this new diary which I recently had bought it. It has everything I need. It's actually blank. Yeah. And what is this? It's some of paper, some sort of paper. Let me show you guys my sketchbooks. These are the sketchbooks which I have. It has all the drawings. Actually, I was making one comic, so that is the one comic which I was making. It is not completed. I just drew a little, like 7 or 8 pages, and then I just stopped it. So it's the drawings I have, and then there are some of the sketches which I usually make whenever I get time. Some of them are incomplete, but yeah, this is all which, these are all the sketch which I usually make whenever I get time. I make this, and this is a small aesthetic वाला sketch book which actually ये book बहुत ही महंगा था, तो तो बहुत ही डांट पड़ा था, बट ठीक है. सो वी हैव अनदर. इस पर मैंने कुछ स्केच बना के रखे छोटे छोटे से, जो मुझे कभी भी टाइम मिलता है. दिस इज़, जब मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता है ना, आई यूजुअली जस्ट ड्रॉ सम स्केचेस. whenever I just get a little bit, छोटू सा भी टाइम मिला तो जस्ट ड्राइंग कर ली ऐसा वैसा. So yeah, this all are that. So this is my sketchbook. All these things are there, and in this last there is nothing here. It's blank. I usually keep my bag here, but it's not right here right now. So we have this. This is a leg space which you can keep your legs here, and for that. This is the chair which I have. Yeah, it's a stool, but I have this only. So I usually sit in this stool and I study. It's very easy. It's not that difficult to sit in this. And if you want a backrest, agar पीठ दुखने लगे तो you can have this wall. You can just put this here and you can just sit like that and just open this, and yeah, you can study here like that. And this is my fan. This is how my table looks like. Now from this table right here I have my books which I like, whatever subject I want to study, I just take it from here and go there. This is also one of the chotu sa bed table which I have. It's also really convenient. If you are just tired of sitting here, you can just go and sit here, so it's very convenient. Here I also have one of my pillow and some things which, if I want to take a rest or I want to take a nap, I can just take a small nap here. Here I have all my books. I know it's not that in a good position right now, but yeah, this is all I have. This is how I keep all my books. It's actually pretty clean here, but here it's just a little mess, but that's fine. So this is all where I keep my all books. Keep some of my books there on my second room. Let me show you that. One of the area where I have my books. This is my admit card. I'm not showing you my admit card for boards, and this is all the 11th standard ke books and the notebooks which I don't use usually, so these are kept here for today. And this is how my table is. This is my stool. This is my study area, and here I study for day. Usually it's a very basic, but it's actually really convenient and very cozy. So if you are if you want to spend some time, you can just study, and it's very convenient. I know it's a little mess, but it's good. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Bye.